Moving in or around Waterbury, Connecticut? Today, I'm sharing the best full-service moving companies in Waterbury and nearby areas. Affordable, reliable, and ready to make your move smooth and stress-free. Let's dive in. Waterbury is a city with a rich history and community charm, but moving here can still be challenging. Full-service movers handle everything from packing, loading, transport, to unloading and unpacking. That means no heavy lifting or last-minute headaches for you. Looking for budget-friendly movers? You have great options in Waterbury and nearby towns like Naugatuck and Cheshire. These companies offer, for example, a local move from Waterbury to Naugatuck typically costs around $250, while a 15-mile move to Cheshire averages about $300. Booking off-peak or midweek can save you even more. Here are some of the best reviewed movers in Waterbury. Two Brothers Moving specializes in residential moves, offering personalized service with a focus on care and affordability. Zip to Zip Moving, known for efficient, transparent pricing and expert packing and transportation services. CT Best Movers, a family-owned business that balances great service with competitive pricing, perfect for budget-conscious moves. Each of these companies is licensed, insured, and praised for professionalism, making them excellent choices for your full-service move. If you're open to nearby towns, check out Movers in Naugatuck. Local movers here know the community and offer customized services, from small apartments to large homes. Cheshire, movers offer free estimates, competitive rates, and partnerships for affordable packing materials to keep your costs low. These towns provide excellent, affordable moving solutions with personalized care. For the best full-service moving companies in Waterbury, call today and get a free, no-obligation quote. Whether you're moving down the street or across Connecticut, professional movers will save you time, money, and hassle. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more local moving tips. Good luck with your Waterbury move.